Alright guys, this is how to install a passenger swivel seat in a Ford Transit. Straight to the point, no stories, no drama, we're done in 15 minutes. So this video gonna cover the hands-on work only. For everything else, such as the parts list, the tool list, how to lower the e-brake, what to do if you have the power seat or heater under the seat. For all of that, please visit our website. You'll find the answer to all of your questions and more. Alright, so let's go. First thing I'm doing is removing the electrical harness from the seat using that 7mm socket all the way. And I'm pulling on the clip, and then I'm unclipping the clip to detach the harness from the seat. Now make sure the seat is pushed all the way back, and I'm gonna remove the seat from the base using a 10mm socket. I'm using an impact driver because it's my third time doing this for this video. It's gonna go faster, but you're gonna have to use a wrench because these screws are tight pretty hard. All right. Now, seat all the way to the front. Now I'm removing the two screws in the back. There you go. So the harness is detached, the screws are all gone. I'll be able to put the seat aside. Please go away. Yeah. Next thing I want to do is get into the seat base. Just unclip the harness from the seat base. This is going to give some slack for when you rotate the seat. I'm gonna route the harness through the center of the plate, aligning the holes with the seat base, and using the 4 screws that are provided with the swivel adapter, I'm gonna install it to the base. Now I just want to torque them properly with the ratchet. Okay, now time to put the seat on the swivel adapter. I just want to push the rails to the front. Now to fix the seat on the adapter plate, we're gonna need the bolts, washer, and nylon nut provided with the adapter. There's 4 of them, and they're 13mm X. And you're gonna need either an adjustable wrench or a 13mm keys with that. And I'm gonna put a close-up on how to insert the washer and the nut properly. All right. We're almost done. All we have left now is to reconnect the electrical harness. So I'm just pushing on it, torquing the 7mm screw all the way in. And that's it, we're done. Not quite actually. We still have to trim the baby seat anchor, otherwise it's going to interfere with the rotation. We use the Dremel to trim it, but we would recommend using a hacksaw instead, because all those sparks are going to stick to the surface and promote rust. So with a hacksaw it's going to be much easier to catch and make a clean job. And then at last, just break all the sharp edges by using sanding paper,
clean and touch up the bare metal with corrosion resistant paint, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
On your very first rotation, just go slow, just to make sure the harness, the electrical harness, is out of the way. You're not gonna break anything, so just go real slow. So I'm gonna rotate slowly and look to make sure the harness is not catching anywhere. And that's all, guys.